This has been a news story of special interest from one of the KLIF mobile news units, brought to you by CNET.
This is